India has ramped up security at all airports across the country. This comes after the terror attack in Pahalgam and the rising tension with Pakistan. So, what does this mean for passengers, airlines, and airport staff? Let's break it down in simple words. The Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, India's aviation security regulator, has ordered the highest level of security at all civil airports. Now, this includes both visible changes for passengers and behind the scenes measures. So, what's new for passengers? First, every passenger will now face an additional security check before boarding the plane. This is called secondary ladder point checking. It means you and your cabin bags will go through one more round of screening at the boarding gate itself. Second, random checks may happen before you even enter the airport. Security staff may inspect your bags and ask for ID even outside the terminal. Full security checks of aircraft and catering services have been made mandatory. IDs of passengers and airport staff will be checked before strictly. Ground staff and cargo workers will also face extra surveillance. Even outside the airport, things are tightening up. All vehicles and people in terminal and parking areas will face tougher checks. Quick response teams are on standby. Bomb detection squads are on high alert. So, what about flights? Many airports near the India-Pakistan border have been temporarily closed for commercial flights. These include Srinagar, Jammu, Leh, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Rajkot, and others. In total, over 25 airports have suspended flights until at least Saturday, May 10th, 5:30 a.m. Most of these airports are either very close to the border or are located inside Air Force bases. Some of them had only a few commercial flights each day, but the impact is still huge. So, how many flights stand cancelled? More than 400 flights per day are being cancelled across India. Indigo, the largest airline, is cancelling over 165 flights daily due to these airport closures. Indigo has announced that if you booked a ticket before May 8th and your flight is to and from the affected cities, like Srinagar, Jammu, Amritsar, Leh, Chandigarh, Dharamshala, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Kishanganj, and Rajkot, you can change or cancel your flight without any extra fee for travel until May 22nd. All these strict security rules will stay in place until at least May 18th, according to the BCAS. And it's not just airports, helipads, airstrips, flying schools, and aviation training centers across the country are also under high alert. In simple words, if you're flying soon, reach the airport early, carry valid ID, and be ready for extra checks. And this is a precautionary measure, and authorities say it's being done to prevent any untoward incident. That's all for today. Stay tuned to the Indian Express for more such news updates. Thank you so much for watching.